Today I thought I'd show you how to add some quick realistic lighting using an HDRi. First thing you need to do is download one from a website. Polyhaven is a good free resource that I use, and they have a bunch of free HDRIs which you can download. HDRIs are usually in two file formats, either EXR or HDR. On Polyhaven, the default download file format tends to be EXR. Right now I'm in the material preview, so I'm going to switch to this viewport shading. You can see right now I've got a completely black world. To change this, I'll go to world properties. Your default world might be grey, but you can see I've got no world here at all. So I'll press plus new to add one. All I need to do then is left click this yellow dot, change to environment texture, and you can see the whole screen has gone purple. This is because the texture is missing. To add the texture, all we need to do is press this open button. Then in my downloads, where my HDRIs are, I just searched EXR to filter by only the EXR HDRIs. If you download an HDR HDRI, you can just search HDR instead. Then I'm going to select one I like, so I'm going to choose this one here and press open image. Now we've added our realistic lighting. If you want to remove the background, left click this camera looking button here called render properties, scroll down to film, left click to open it, and where it says transparent, just left click the checkbox. If you want to learn more about textures and HDRIs in Blender, I highly recommend checking out this video here. Apart from that though, thank you so much for watching and take care.